Tonight, a military man is under arrest after officials found weapons and what appeared to be a bomb in plain sight.
Our reporter Ari Height here tonight with more on how a neighbor helped spot that heavily armed American soldier on the move in a situation that might have ended much worse, Ari.
No question about that. Very much could have ended much worse. And take a look. Police say that is what they found inside this car they had stopped late Sunday afternoon. They're still trying to figure out what the driver was up to. They say he hasn't said yet where he was heading, but they know they're glad they found him before he got there. This is what Port St. Lucie police say they found inside a car they stopped Sunday afternoon. An AR-15 rifle, 3 handguns. The driver was wearing a tactical vest with extra ammo in the pockets.
There's nothing routine anymore in this job. You think you're going to a routine type of a call, and then you pull up and someone's in full-on tac gear with weapons that can do a lot of damage.
This all happened just after 4 p.m. on Southeast Prineville Street. A car had crashed in a yard and just stayed there.
But he was parked there for a little while, so a neighbor finally just thought there was something hanky about it and called us.
Officers arrived as the car was leaving the scene. They got the driver to stop, but knew immediately something was off.
When he was walking up to the car, he told me, he can kind of see him looking at him in the rearview mirror, kind of watching his every move. So the hairs on his neck were standing up just a little bit.
That's when the officer spotted the tactical vest, the ammo, the weapons, and what appeared to be a bomb.
They found a bag containing what looked like an explosive device, some sort of clay material with some wiring on it.
So they evacuated nearby homes, called the bomb squad, who detonated the device. It turned out to be nothing. Police have identified the driver as 21-year-old Johan Roby. They say he's active military in the Army. They also say he couldn't explain where he was going or why he was so heavily armed.
Well, he appeared to be a little bit delusional, talking in circles, talking about people following him.
Roby is now facing a long list of crimes, including multiple weapons charges. He is right now in the St. Lucie County Jail. He's being held in lieu of $130,000 bond. Reporting live, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.